Hi, I'm Danielle. I'm one of the health educators here at Access Health Louisiana, and I'm here to show you how to use your blood pressure monitor with Livongo. So when you receive your blood pressure monitor from Livongo, you'll find just your blood pressure monitor in the kit. How to use it: you take it out of the package, you put your cuff on right above your elbow where your artery line should be. You pull down, you wrap around. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor, you don't have your crossed legs, and you make sure your arm that's getting tested is heart level. Press the start button. When you receive your level, you're going to look at it, you're going to write it down if you'd like, but it's also put straight into your Livongo portal where your provider will have access to it. Some quick notes that you need to know before taking your blood pressure: you want to make sure you don't eat or drink anything with caffeine 30 minutes before, and if you take blood pressure medication, you want to make sure you take your medication and then wait 30 minutes before you check your blood pressure.